You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. Welcome. It is Tuesday, May the 16th, and we've got a great show lined up for you today. Big thanks for everyone who's subscribed. We're up over 100 subscriptions. Great to see that. Hopefully we can keep building the community here. So thanks to everyone who subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you're the first to get the latest investment news for gamers. So, Nintendo and Activision have some big announcements coming up. We're going to see what they've got to say. And we're going to look at a lot of networking stocks, Cisco and Netgear. And if we have time, we'll give an update on our portfolio. So look for all of that today on the recaps, and that's what we got coming up live. So Cisco. I want to talk about Cisco. Cisco is a little bit like IBM, a fairly mature company, and they're going through a transition period, and their stock is a little bit beaten down because of this transition. But I think there is still some value there with Cisco. Let's take a look at their stock. I'll pull it up here. Take a look at their summary, and we're going to go at their last report that they had. They're reporting tomorrow, I believe, for the latest quarter. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that, what they have to say. But Cisco, their company, you can see over the last 5 years they've had a pretty decent run. You know, they hit the big bubble in 2000, dropped off, but they've slowly been marching up. They have a pretty good dividend yield of 3.47%. So they pay a pretty good dividend. Let's take a look at their report. I'll put the link to the investor relations and their last report here. Here's what's interesting about Cisco and where people are kind of shying away from them because of their year-over-year declines. But I think they're very far along to changing their business. They've had some good things to report in their quarter, but here's where their business segments are, and switching is their big one, and there you could see they've had some decline. Routing, collaboration, wireless, security is where their big gains are. People like them for what they're doing with security. I don't know what they're doing service provider video wise. Other products is growing, and their service business is growing. So they're growing in some pretty key areas. I believe that they have the guts that go into the data centers that are all growing. That's kind of their core business, and anything they can expand off of that is just gravy for them. So I want to see what their earnings are tomorrow. I think they pay a solid enough dividend. They're certainly cheap stock. I think, let me see what their forward earnings were. It was below 20, if I remember. I'll pull that up real quick here. 17 times earnings. So Cisco, fairly cheap stock, pays a good dividend. Maybe after the earnings tomorrow they may slip again. They may go up though, as they've made this transition. So look for them. I'm going to keep a closer eye on them, as maybe do a follow-up tomorrow after their earnings. They've caught my eye. We'll see where Cisco goes. Let me know what your thoughts are on Cisco and any other networking play that we may have. That is it for today's show. I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you very much for watching. We're here live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. You can shoot us an email. It's mail@investorxp.com or tweet us at investorxp.com. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Help boost the show. I really want to get a nice investment community going here. So far, love the picks that people have got there. A lot of good ideas. We want to keep them rolling. So thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we will see you tomorrow.